Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
How old is she?
She's 3 years old.
3 years?
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you? Don't tell me 58.
You can't change your numbers around any longer, Marvin.
How old are you, Marvin?
I just said you told me.
Tell the truth. Don't lie. How old are you?
Just say about it.
You know what I have? You know what I have?
No.
You know the ginger candies that you like?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Oh, you're good.
You like the ginger
Where you
candies?
got that?
At Chinatown.
Chinatown?
Remember when we used to go to Chinatown?
Yeah, I remember when you were down there.
What did we buy in Chinatown? What kinds of things did we like to buy?
Stuff I forgot.
Tea. Remember all the different green teas?
Green tea.
Oh, that's when he introduced me to the green teas. That's when I started drinking green teas.
And the crystal tea. Remember the tea with the crystals?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's what he gave us in the little silver pack, the gold pack. Yes.
Yep. I like it.
Huh?
Is it good?
I remember those teas because you had given me a few of those teas.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
You like it here, Marvin?
Huh?
You like it here?
Get out of here.
You want to get out of here? The water was nice and cold, though, right? When was the last time I saw you?
God.
Long time, huh? I missed you. I'm always thinking about you. Saying, where's Marvin? I gotta bump into Marvin someplace. I kept thinking I was gonna bump into you. You used to think that. But then you changed your number.
Change my telephone number?
Yeah. My number's the same.
I don't recall saying my telephone number.
Yeah. I used to call you, but nobody would answer.
That's when I moved, after I moved?
Yeah. I remember when I went to Clark City.
I don't have a phone right now, anyway.
No, you have a cell phone.
I have a cell phone.
Right. You have a different number.
Huh?
Right.
Yeah.
But I can call you.
Yeah.
And you can call me.
Right.
Will you answer the phone when I call?
Yeah. Do I have a cell number?
Yeah, you have it. I gotta put her name to your
Yeah, she's
phone.
got to put it inside so you have it automatically.
Oh, good. Oh, good.
What's your favorite game to play? That's right.
What is it?
Chess.
Oh yeah, please. Yeah. Oh my God, chess.
So you're gonna play some chess while you're here?
I don't think nobody has pictures.
I know. You know I'm a bad chess player, right?
Huh?
You know I don't play well.
You play good. You play okay.
Marvin, please. Who taught me how to play chess? That's right. That's right. Did I ever beat you?
Huh?
Did I ever beat you? He's so kind.
He gonna tell
He's
you.
so kind.
No, Mona, you have never beat me.
Marvin,
But you
you
taught
know.
Stephen and Leroy. Remember Uncle Marvin?
Huh?
You taught Stephen and you taught Leroy how to play chess.
Yeah.
I have pictures with them playing chess with you.
You got pictures?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. They're at my home, of course. I gotta bring those pictures so you can see it.
Oh, that's what you do.
Yeah.
So Oscar's gonna come by later.
Oh, yeah? Oh, man. You up to it.
It would be good to see Oscar. Okay.
How you up to do it?
He's still driving a limo.
Oh, you got your number still?
Okay, you guys wave to the camera and say goodbye. Nice interview. Uncle Marvin, say goodbye.
Oh, goodbye.
Okay, I'm gonna play this back so you can look at it. You're gonna be fascinated. Okay, you're gonna be like, how did I get on TV?